Welcome back to Alan's Yummy Food Story. So today guys we're making some aloo paratha here. So it's basically atta sheets stuffed with potato or aloo mixture. So it's good with both non-vegetarian and vegetarian curries here. So the first step here is to have 350 total grams of atta or 1 cup of atta here. So next, guys, the next step is here add a required amount of salt here. Add the required amount of salt. Then, guys, you gotta add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. It should be vegetable oil actually. Next, we gotta gradually add some water and knead it up like this. Knead it up perfectly and really diligently to make a perfect dough. For like this, so my mom make it a perfect dough. And now we gotta rush that dough for 15 minutes. But at that time, guys, we gotta do the next step. We gotta grind up some aloo here or potatoes. So now we got some finely grinded aloo here. Next, we got some chopped up coriander leaves. Next, we got some ginger green chili paste here. Next, we got some slice of lemon. And also, first we got some fennel seeds. Next, we got some red chili masala. Next, we got some cumin seeds. And we got some salt. So now let's add them all together, guys. Now let's add them all together. So first, add the potato in a separate vessel here. Next, guys, you're gonna add some that ginger green chili paste here, ginger green chili crushed up paste. Next, guys, you're gonna add some coriander leaves. So now we added the coriander leaves, guys. Next, we're gonna add the fennel seeds here. You're gonna add the fennel seeds. Next, we're gonna add the cumin seeds, guys. The cumin seeds. Next, we're gonna add the red chili masala here, and then finally, for the finishing touch, add some salt. So now we have completely did that, and now let's squeeze up a bit of some lemon for some good old aroma. Also make it easier to make it a mixture. So now it's time for stirring, guys. Now time to stir it all up and make it a mixture, a stuffing. So stirring it all up and make it a mixture like this, a fine mixture. So now that the atta here, now that the dough is roasted for some minutes here, 15 to 12 minutes, it's time that we make the sheets here. Roll it up into a bowl, take a piece of it and roll it up a ball, and time to flatten it all up to 5 or 6 inches in diameter. And now it's time to flatten it all up. So after that, after flattening it all up, we gotta put a stuffing here, that aloo stuffing. So first you gotta take a pinch of that aloo stuffing here. Now it's time to roll it into a ball here, precise good old sphere, like my mom did. And then cover it with the aloo sheet. And then roll it all up. And take a excess chunk and then roll it all up once again. Now it's time to repeat the flattening process here. So guys, we gotta add some more atta here to back up atta to make it repeat the flattening process here to make it easier to be flattened. So now guys, you gotta flatten it all up, guys. Ooh, this is so great. Now so flatten up really nicely and really thin. It should be very thin at your maximum. And so our atta is ready. So our atta sheet is filled with potato stuffing, and now we are gonna bake it all up. Heat up a pan and fry it at both sides. And also, guys, an important tip here while frying, after cooking it all up, don't forget to add some ghee because it gives a really good taste and also is delicious. So now finally the aloo paratha is ready. So it's really good, and also it looks so fabulous, and also it's good with both non-veg and vegetarian curry. Not veg, it's good with curds and salads. So now let's get to the taste process. So now guys, we're gonna test the aloo paratha here. So now I'm gonna tear it up and show you what's inside. Inside it's filled with some potato. Yes, so good. Also we got some healthy yogurt options, which we got healthy yogurt salad. Also we got some good old beef here, and also we got cucumbers. So this is a really healthy and really good lunch. So now first let's taste it along with the yogurt. Wow, super. The mango yogurt is very sweet and so delicious. And I got some cucumbers. Wow, it's so good. It's a really good breakfast and also super good. Next, I'm gonna taste the beef curry. Gotta take the beef. Mmm, super. Wow, so good. It's so nostalgic. I like this. It's a really healthy yogurt along with a really good beef. So you want to do a really good aloo paratha. If you like this recipe, then try it out for yourself and also leave your opinion in the comment section below about the recipe. Then if you guys enjoyed the video, I hope you guys smash that like button, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notifications for more amazing videos like this. And also don't make sure to, if you have any suggestions, then leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this to your families and friends. And with that out of the way, bye!